Hey everyone, it's Pam, and I'm going to give you a cool Canva tip. I have here some images that I have created. Now, isn't she cute? Let's see here. I am going to show you guys a amazing, it's not really a tip, it's a trick. Any image that you want. You can even use Canva images and change them up and put them in something, not to sell, but for your images, you can do whatever you want with them. You can sell them too, but that's not the tip or the trick. I am going to click on this image right here. I'm going to go up to edit with the floating menu that's right above me here. And here you will see Style Match. Right here on the left-hand side, you see a little, and she's saying none. So let's go ahead and have some fun, right? We're going to click all, and I'm just going to show you all what you can do, and let's play around, okay? First, let's go scrapbook. So it sits there, and it thinks about it. And it's going to change it up. Totally different. Totally different. Look at that, but that's kind of cute. All right. Now I'm going to click on this one, go up to edit, go to style match right here. And this one, I'm going to go 3D art. You ready? This is going to be fun. You guys, look at that difference. Look at that 3D. All right, one more, or we're going to do a couple more. Let's see here. What style? Edit, style match. So paint, cartoon, pixel, pop art. You know, let's try pop art. Let's just try it. See what happens. It's gonna I mean, I'm not angry at it, but I think I was thinking of something else. So we're gonna undo that. And let's do cartoon. Let's see what it does. And it is going. Okay. I mean, I'm not upset. It kind of did the same thing, but it just took out the background. All right. I'm going to try this one more time. Okay. We're going to try it one more time. Edit. And let's do Painterly and see how that works. And I mean, I guess it just takes out the whole background every single time. I did create this, so hey, it is what it is. But, okay, we're going to do this one. Edit. Click on the image, then go edit, Pam. Okay, we are going to let's do line art with this. See what happens. And then I'm going to try one more. I mean, not bad. Not bad at all. All right, so I'm going to do one more time. Edit. Now I want to go down. Let's try one of these colors. Let's see what it does. Ooh, I wonder if the pop art would work. Okay, okay. Okay. A little different, but hey, let's see if the pop art will work on this one. I don't know, but okay. Pop art. All right. Okay. So you guys, you can come in here with images and change them up. Like change your images up. Even if you like use something and you're like, oh, I love this, come in here and like change it up a little bit. I am not upset with any of these. Like, I could use this for a can't like on Facebook, like something cool. I can put this somewhere, landing page, something. I can use this as, a quote. Now this is what impressed me the most. I mean, it really did look 3D art. And this just changed it up. So cute. All right. And look, let's see. Now, when I mess with these colors, they don't always. So I'm not going to mess with them because I was getting them wrong. But there you go. It is Edit Style Match. And you have a whole bunch to pick from. Okay. Let's do a 3D art on this one. Let's see what happens. I'm really impressed with the 3D art. And then we'll go. Not bad. Not bad at all. It's awesome. All right, guys. I want you to create a style match image and post it below. Thank you. And remember to like and follow, please, because I need it. Thank you.